Hi, I'm Osman Chaudhry, and I'm an OBGYN physician at Community Hospital South. Both of my older sisters are physicians, and they told me how much they loved their job, and they, were my role models and encouraged me, and so I decided to pursue the same career. I'm an obstetrician and gynecologist, so that means that I'm involved in the care of pregnant patients as well as the care of patients with just any gynecologic concerns. So that's the entire spectrum of women's care. OBGYN is really unique. It's the perfect mix of medicine and surgery. And unlike a lot of other surgical subspecialties, you get to know and develop lifelong relationships with your patients. And that to me is incredibly unique and special to maintain a relationship that hopefully lasts decades. My first and simple question is, how can I help you? And try to keep it as open-ended as possible. Sometimes people are just there, hey, for a routine checkup, they just need to get some things checked out. And other times people are there for a very specific issue. And hopefully, after every visit, my goal is that you feel your concerns are addressed, or at the very least, we have a roadmap to figuring out some potential solutions for you. For me, listening is just simply the foundation of any effective relationship in your life. I think that's the most important aspect of any relationship, especially a physician-patient relationship, is just listening and making sure that people feel heard. The reason I chose community hospital, quite simply, is that there is a commitment to excellence. There's just this sincere, emotional, and professional investment into the well-being of our patients. And to me, that's the most important thing. That's why I'm here, is I want to be a part of a system. I want to be a part of a hospital. I want to be part of a team where patients come first. When I was a medical student, I had a mentor that I was working with, and he started every day with, hey, let's go make people feel better today. And I think that when you think about your job as a privilege and as a responsibility to help people just feel better, it's pretty easy to get up and go to work. Any chance I get, I try to see my family and friends. I, consider myself king uncle. I have a handful of nieces and nephews, and I spoil them, and I'm sure my sisters appreciate it, but that's typically what I try to do, is just spend as much time as I can with family. I like cooking, I like traveling, and reading a lot, and so it's just nice to kind of decompress and just let your mind ease sometimes. I'm Osman Chaudhry, and I'm an OBGYN physician at Community Hospital South.